There are moments in life when everything feels stuck, like you're standing still while everyone else moves forward. Your dreams feel distant, your energy is low, and every attempt to change feels overwhelming. But being stuck isn't a life sentence. It's a message, a signal. And today we're going to decode it. Why you feel stuck. Feeling stuck often has nothing to do with laziness, failure, or lack of potential. Most of the time you feel stuck because your mind is trapped in a cycle, a loop of self-doubt, fear, overthinking, or unresolved emotions. You're not immobile because your path is blocked. You're immobile because your perception is. Your brain is designed to keep you safe, not fulfilled. So when you think about change, even positive change, your mind creates confusion, resistance, and hesitation. The result? You feel mentally overwhelmed and emotionally exhausted, even before you take the first step. The real cause: fear of the unknown. One of the biggest reasons people stay stuck is fear. Not fear of failure, but fear of uncertainty. Your mind whispers, "What if I choose wrong? What if I'm not good enough? What if things get worse?" So instead of moving forward, you freeze. You live in the same patterns, the same routines, the same thoughts, not because they make you happy, but because they feel familiar. The cost of staying stuck. Staying stuck comes with a silent cost, not in money, but in time, in dreams, in self-belief. Every day you stay in the same place, you teach your mind one thing: that's all I am capable of. But that's not true. You are capable of reinventing your life. You just need the right starting point. How to take the first step: the shift. Breaking the feeling of being stuck doesn't require a huge life decision. It starts with one small action, one domino, one shift in energy. You don't need clarity on the entire journey. You only need clarity on the next 10 minutes. Your first step might be taking a walk, journaling your thoughts, cleaning one drawer, reading one page, sending one message, learning for 5 minutes. It doesn't matter what step you take. What matters is that it's small and that it creates motion. Because motion creates clarity, action creates confidence, and progress, even tiny progress, creates momentum. The rebirth moment. Every person who has ever transformed their life started with one simple moment. A moment where they said, "I won't stay stuck anymore." Not because they felt ready, but because they felt called. And now, this is your moment. You don't need to know the whole path. You only need to trust your next step. Move, even a little, and life will begin to move with you. And remember, you're not stuck because life is against you. You're stuck because you're on the edge of becoming someone new. Take one small step and watch how your entire world begins to shift. If this message reached you today, let me know. Did it help you in any way? Did it make you think? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want more videos like this, leave a like, follow the channel, and share this with someone who needs it. Your support helps this message reach more people and helps this community grow. Until next time, keep moving, even if it's just 10 minutes a day. Your future self is counting on you.